Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Srivastava. In the last video, I start the chapter of ICSE class 9, that is rational and irrational numbers. In that video, I explain what is rational numbers, how can we check the number is terminating or non-terminating, and how can we convert a non-terminating but recurring number into P upon Q form. And I also explain how we represent the rational numbers on a number line. Now, the next topic is that is irrational number. What is irrational numbers? Basically, irrational numbers are non-repeating, non-terminating numbers. I repeat, what is irrational numbers? The irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Now, the examples are root 2, root 3, root 5, and so on, or cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 5, like that. So all these are the example of irrational number. Simply we can say, if we take the square root of a number and the number that is not a perfect square, that will be irrational number. Or if we take the cube root of a number and the number is not perfect cube, then the resulting number, it will be irrational number. Like rational numbers, we can also represent the irrational numbers on number line. So first I will explain how we represent root 2 on number line. I repeat, how we represent root 2 on the number line. So first I draw a line where I mark 2 point O and A, where O is represent 0 and A is represent 1. So the distance between O and A, that is unit or 1 centimeter. Now from point A I draw a right angle. I repeat, from point A I draw a right angle. Now take A as the center and the radius equal to AO. I repeat, take A as a center and the radius equal to AO, or the radius is 1 centimeter. I cut an arc and then the point is P. Clear? Take A as a center, the radius equal to 1 centimeter, cut an arc and the point, that is P. Now join the point O and B. So we can say OAB, it is a right angle triangle, where OA, that is the base, AB, that is the perpendicular, and OB, that is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, I can write OB square equal to OA square plus OAB square. The value of OA and AB both are 1. So we can write OB equal to root 2. Means the distance between point O and point B, that is root 2. Now take O is the center and the radius equal to OB. I repeat, O is the center, radius equal to OB. Draw an arc that cut the number line at point A1. Draw an arc, take center O, radius equal to OB. Draw an arc that cut the number line on the point A1. So we can say the distance between point O and A1, that is root 2. Now it is the representation of root 2 on number line. Similarly, we can also represent root 3, root 5 and root 7. Next, some properties of irrational numbers, or we can say how we perform mathematical operations on irrational number. So first property, that is under root A into under root A equal to A. Means if there are two irrational numbers and both are same. For example, I write here root 3. So if root 3 is multiplied by root 3, it will be equal to 3. Or we can write under root 2 into under root 2 is equal to 2. So that is our first property. Under root A into under root A equal to A. Second, under root A into under root B equal to under root A into B, where root A and root B are two irrational numbers. Let the two rational numbers are root 2 and root 3. When I multiply, it will be equal to under root 6. Next property, a into root b equal to under root a square into b. For example, if written 2 root 3, so I can write, what is the square of 2? The square of 2 will be 4. So we can write 2 into 3. Last property, under root a plus under root b whole square equal to a plus b plus 2 under root a. For example, if there are two irrational numbers, root 2 and root 3, and I have to find what is the value of root 2 plus root 3 whole square. So first we expand by the identity of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, where the value of a is root 2 and the value of b is under root 3. So we can write the square of root 2, 2, the square of root 3, 3. Now 2 into root 3. So root 2 into root 3, we can write root 6. So that is 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 6, or we can write 5 plus 2 under root 6. Now, when we add two rational numbers like 2 and 3, the result will be 5. The result will be 5. So we can say when we add two rational numbers, the resulting number is also rational. Same, if I multiply 2 into 3, then the result is 6. Again, the result is rational number. Same, we can check whether we multiply irrational numbers with irrational numbers or irrational numbers with rational numbers. Then what is the resulting number? It is rational or it is irrational. If I add one rational number with one irrational number, I repeat, if I add one rational number with one irrational number, then the resulting number will be irrational. If I subtract one rational and one irrational number, again the number will be irrational. Same in case of multiplication and same in case of division. When I multiply rational number into irrational number, or when I divide a rational number by irrational number, always the result will be irrational number. But what will happen? What will happen when we add, subtract, divide or multiply two irrational numbers? Now when we multiply two irrational numbers, then what will happen? The result may be rational, irrational, or sometimes rational or sometimes irrational. Let's check with some examples. Now if I take two irrational numbers, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Both are irrational numbers. Now if I add 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, I can cancel out root 3 with root 3. So what is remaining? The remaining is 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now I take two more irrational numbers, that is 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. Now if I add these two numbers, 2 plus 3, it will be 5, and root 3 plus root 3, I can write that is 2 plus root 3. Now we compare the result of first and second. When I add these two irrational numbers, I will get 4, that is a rational number. But if I add two more irrational numbers, the resulting number, that is irrational. So we can say it is not necessary when we add two irrational numbers, the resulting number may be rational or irrational. We cannot say that always it will be rational or always it will be irrational. It depends on the irrational number. If the numbers are like that, the result may be rational. If the numbers are like that, the result will be irrational number. So we can say when we multiply two irrational numbers, or when we add, when we subtract, or when we divide, the result may be rational number or irrational number. It depends on the value of these irrational numbers. Now the topic is rationalization. What is rationalization? Basically, rationalization, it is a process in which we convert two irrational numbers into one rational numbers. For example, if the numbers are a plus under root b and a minus under root b. Now if I multiply both the number, it will equal to a square minus b. Now how the result a square minus b? We know that it is same as the identity a plus b into a minus b, and we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here I multiply two irrational number, but the resulting number, that is rational. So we can say by rationalization process we convert two irrational numbers into one rational numbers. Now if I write the number 2 plus root 3 and it is multiplied by 2 minus root 3, then by the identity of a plus b into a minus b, I can write a square minus b square, that is the 2 square minus root 3 square. The square of 2, that is 4, and the square of root 3, that is 3. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So we can say when I multiply these two irrational numbers, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, the resulting number is 1. Or we can say this number 2 plus root 3 is multiplied by 2 minus root 3, then we get the number and the number is resulting. So we can say 2 minus root 3 is called the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3. If the number is 2 plus root 3, what is the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 3. If the number is 2 minus root 3, what is the rationalizing factor? Then the factor will be 2 plus root 3. Now we solve some questions. Now we have to rationalize the denominator in the following questions. So first question is, that is 2 upon root 6, and we have to rationalize the denominator. Means we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor of denominator. So in this question, 2 upon root 6, the denominator is root 6, so its rationalizing factor will be root 6. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by root 6. Now 2 into root 6, I can write 2 root 6 upon root 6 into root 6, that is I can write 6, or I can simplify 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. So that is under root 6 upon 3. So after rationalizing the denominator, 2 upon root 6 is changed into root 6 upon 3, and I already explained rationalization is a process in which we convert two rational numbers by multiplying into a rational number. So here the denominator is root 6, that is irrational number, but here the denominator is 3, that is rational. Next, root 2 upon 2 root 3. So here I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 root 3. So I can write 2 root 3 into root 2, that is 2 root 6 upon. Now 2 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 3. So first we multiply rational number with rational number. So that is 2 into 2, 4. Next, irrational number with irrational number. That is root 3 into root 3, 3. So 2 2s are 4. So the answer is under root 6 upon 6. Now next question. 1 upon 3 plus root 5. Now the denominator is 3 plus root 5. So what is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5? The rationalizing factor will be 3 minus root 5. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 3 minus root 5. Like this. Now look at the denominator. It is a plus b and a minus b. So by the algebraic identity, I can write a square minus b square, where the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 5. So that is 3 square minus the value of b is root 5. So root 5 is square. That is 3 minus root 5 upon 3 square 9, root 5 square 5. So the answer is, that is 3 minus root 5 upon 9 minus 5, 4. Next question. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 4 plus 2 root 3. Again, if the denominator is 4 plus 2 root 3, what is the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor, it will be 4 minus 2 root 3. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 4 minus 2 root 3. Now the numerator is 1. So it remains same, that is 4 minus 2 root 3. Now multiply 4 plus 2 root 3 into 4 minus 2 root 3. Again here we are using the identity a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. The value of a is 4 and the value of b, that is 2 root 3. So that is 4 minus 2 root 3 upon the square of 4, that is 16, and the square of 2 root 3, that is 12. 2 to the 4, root 3 into root 3, 3. So 4 into 3, 12. So we can write 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 4. Or if I take 2 as a common from numerator and denominator, then I will write 2 minus root 3 upon 2. Like this we can solve the question number 5 and question number 6. Now the next question is, if root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 equal to a plus b root 3, find the value of a and b. So first we take the LHS, that is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now we start the question by rationalizing the denominator. So the denominator is root 3 minus 1. What is the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus 1. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by root 3 plus 1. Now root 3 plus 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 1. So we can write it is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now in the denominator again a minus b into a plus b. So it becomes a square minus b square. So I can write that is root 3 square minus 1 square. Now root 3 plus 1 whole square expanded by the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means the square of root 3, that is 3. B square means the square of 1, that is 1. Plus 2ab, that is 2 into root 3 into 1. Divided by the square of root 3, that is 3. And the square of 1, that is 1. Now 3 plus 1, that is 4. So we can write 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2. Or if we take the 2 as a common factor from the numerator, we can write 2 into 2 plus root 3 upon 2. Now 2 is cancelled. So the resulting term is 2 plus root 3. Now root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, it is equal to a plus b root 3. So I can write 2 plus root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. Now, if we comparing both sides, where a is the rational number, here 2 is the rational number, here b root 3 is the irrational number, here root 3 is the irrational number. So we comparing rational number with rational number and irrational number with irrational number in both sides. Then we can write a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. That is the value of a and b in this question. Now the next question, if x equal to 3 plus root a, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So we have given the value of x, that is 3 plus root a. Now tell me, what is the value of 1 upon x? I can write that is 1 upon 3 plus root a. Yes, simple. What is 1 upon x? 1 upon x, that is the reciprocal of x. Now, rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is 3 plus root 8. So the rationalizing factor will be 3 minus root 8. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 3 minus root 8. In the numerator it is remains same because it is multiplied by 1. And in denominator again it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. A equal to 3. So the square of 3, that is 9, minus b square. B equal to root 8. The square of root 8, that is 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So we can write the value of 1 upon x equal to 3 minus under root 8. Now we have to find the value of x square plus 1 we know that x plus 1 upon x whole square equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, or we can write x square plus 1 upon x square equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. Now put the value of x and 1 upon x. The value of x is 3 plus root 8. What is the value of 1 upon x? The value of 1 upon x, that is 3 minus root 8. And it is whole square and minus 2. If I solve plus root 8 and minus root 8, it will be cancelled out. So the remaining terms is 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and the square of 6, that is 36. So we can write x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 36 minus 2 equal to 34. That is the answer. So what is the value of x square plus 1 upon x square? The value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34. अगर आप सभी इस बात का वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।